If you want to eject SIM tray and insert a SIM card into Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or 7 FE, what you need to do is you need to find the SIM tray, which when the Z Flip 7 is closed, it is located over here on this side. You should be able to find this little hole that we have on the SIM tray, and we need to use the eject tool and insert it into that hole like this. And then you can use a little bit of force in order to make the SIM tray pop out, and then use your fingers or fingernails in order to completely remove the SIM tray from the phone. It looks like this, pretty simple. And now we can insert our SIM card. So this is the correct side. We can tell that this is the correct side by this triangle over here in one of the corners, and there's also the SIM text. So we need to match the shape of the slot in order to insert our SIM card. So just put it in. Let's try not to drop it and lose the card, because unfortunately it is quite easy to do so. But it should go in pretty easily. Once you have your card on the SIM slot, what you can do next is simply insert the card back into the phone. Unfortunately, we only have one SIM card slot, and try not to touch it once you insert the SIM card, because unfortunately you will probably remove it by accident. So insert it back into the phone. There we go, and just push it in with your finger. Make sure that the SIM tray is fully in, that it doesn't stick out or anything like that. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.